Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply teach you how you can log in into your Netflix account on your mobile device. It is going to be a very easy and step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video to the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, go ahead into your Play Store and simply go ahead and download your Netflix application, and once you have done that, go ahead and open your Netflix app. Finally, once you have done that, you are gonna be on this page. Over here on the top, you'll have to enter your phone number or your email of your Netflix account, so go ahead and do that. Once you have entered your email or phone number, tap on password, and then over here you want to enter the password of your Netflix account, so go ahead and do that. Once you have entered your password on your Netflix account, all you have to do now is go ahead and tap on sign in button, and it might ask you to save your password. I'm gonna do no thanks, but you can go ahead and save your password. And finally, congratulations, you have successfully logged in into your Netflix account on your mobile device. You can simply choose a profile and start watching any series or movies you want. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you for watching.